Let's walk through a typical day running your hostel on SastyBed. You begin at the dashboard, where everything that matters is right in front of you. Active bookings, rent collected this month, and exactly what needs your attention today. Open the live occupancy grid and see every room at a glance. Green is available, blue is occupied, and amber means a stay is expiring soon. A new booking request comes in from the app. Review the student and accept in a single tap. A student walks in instead. Enroll them at the desk in about 30 seconds. When rent is paid, record it, and SastyBed instantly generates the receipt, updates your reports, and adjusts the balance. Head to reports anytime to see your income, your expenses, and your real profit for the month. Plan the week's mess menu and check in on your staff, attendance, and complaints. Every part of your hostel managed from one screen. That's a day on SastyBed. Organized, effortless, and completely free.